This is Jeffrey freaking out on the tram ride at Hawk's Nest.
Don't like heights. Not like heights. We're not even like off the ground.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
No, 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 no. Oh, you suck.
We're not even going fast yet.
Oh, thank God I didn't have Taco Bell.
Oh, that's nasty.
Oh, don't say that.
What if I lean over to one side?
Oh, I'm gonna kill you. We're not friends anymore. Oh, dude.
Alright, we're about to speed up. This is fucking priceless.
Fuck you, Angel.
Look how high off the ground. Look how high off the ground we are.
I can stop. There's Beardo. And here's me freaking out.
Check this out, man.
Oh, man.
Woo!
I was freaking out the whole way. I hate heights. Oh, man.